Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
It's pretty rare when you go from a very warm and humid air mass to a cooler air mass that you don't get thunderstorms. And today is going to be one of those days we're going to have to deal with, I think, numerous rounds of showers and thunderstorms. First of which showing up on Storm Track Live radar over Lake Michigan. The average speed is about 35 miles an hour, and tracking that cluster into the lakeshore area, Muskegon, Grand Haven, right around a quarter to 7 or 6:45-ish. Not severe out there, but you know, do expect you probably can already hear some rumbling of some thunder in the Fruitport, Muskegon area, and also Grand Haven. So I'm going to show you the high-resolution forecast model. Initially, what you'll notice right away is throughout the day, most of the activity will be about Holland, Grand Rapids, Ionia to the north, or at least certainly north of I-94. Then as we roll through the night, a nice solid line of thunderstorms move in after the sunset time frame. And this is more than likely the most widespread area of potential of severe weather that could happen. Then when we wake up tomorrow morning, still a few lingering showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Then we'll gradually clear out the sky later in the afternoon. That's going to be a very slow process, a little iffy if we're seeing showers at the 9 p.m. time frame. Now, in terms of severe weather, it's certainly in the cards today. Notice that the Storm Prediction Center has notched us up one category to the slight risk, 2 out of 5 category. And it really involves just about anything. And I'm going to expand the view, showing you it extends all the way down to the southwest throughout the Midwest. Okay, tornadoes. Well, there is a small risk. Anytime there's a warm front, in my experience, we could see a tornado or a spin up. That's Fremont, Big Rapids, Greenville area. The warm front's positioned up here, so there's a 5% chance in a 25-mile area that we could see a tornado. And wind risk is the other risk out there, and that's a 15% chance in a 25-mile-an-hour of seeing a severe wind gust. The other thing we'll have to pay attention to is the heavy rain potential, and that certainly is highest north of Grand Rapids, where some locations, I would say anywhere from M46 north, could see 1 to as much as 3 inches of rain. Here we are currently out there, still a little bit of breaks in the clouds out there, but the clouds are going to win out more often than not, especially from Grand Rapids to the north. We're looking at a warm morning out there. We're used to that. Dew point temperatures in the 60s, but those will be going down. Last day, this is it for a while. Ottawa, Kent County points to the south. We'll have heat index values probably right around the mid-90s out there. Notice how dew point temperatures go up, and they spike a little bit on Tuesday. Now you can see active weather today right on through tonight, and then a beautiful day heading our way for Monday. Chance of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday into early Wednesday, and then another gorgeous day for Thursday. Look at that, 78 degrees. And then later on Friday into the Saturday time frame, could see some more shower and thunderstorm chances out there. And overall, Dave, it looks like this is going to be the last day with a real stifling heat. Although Tuesday looks pretty warm too.
Yeah, the air conditioner just had not been giving a break at all whatsoever.
I just installed a unit in my mom's house. She was been best, like that was my task for this week. Yeah.
At least the filters are new during this time.
Yeah, right.
So, all right, we'll take that, Matt. Thanks so much.